Hi all, welcome back to our segment of You Ask, We Answer. Today we will be addressing some more questions asked by you. Before we start, don't forget to click the link below to subscribe. The first question we've received is, I am from Kenya, can I apply? Absolutely yes. If you're a Kenyan national, you can apply through PWG and attend your VFS in Nairobi. The only documents we require is a valid passport. So another question we've received is, can I go to all 27 Schengen countries when I get valid Poland visa? Of course. As soon as you receive your ID card, you can travel to any Schengen country. Another question we've received is, do you have any branches in Taiwan or in Africa? Our offices are in Europe and UAE, however, we can apply from any country. Another question we've received is, what is the expected salary range for a blue-collar worker in Poland? The minimum salary in Poland is 23.5 zlotys per hour. The standard working hours will be 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. However, you will have the option to work overtime and earn more. Another question we've received is, I do not have any experience or education, can I still apply? Of course you can. No experience or education is needed to apply for a blue-collar job. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep your questions coming.